Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you're good and well. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how I made basaar, Kashmiri basaar, homemade Kashmiri basaar. And let's start with the ingredients. So I used 4 kg of hot chili powder. That's 4 kilograms. 1 kilogram of normal chili powder. So I just added that into the big bowl. 1 kg of madras curry powder, that was hot. 1 kg of cumin seeds crushed, grounded cumin seeds. 1 kg of paprika powder. 1 kg of turmeric powder. 600 grams of garam masala. 1 liter of mustard oil to preserve the spices. And then I just mixed everything up all together. And then I added ground coriander powder at the end because I forgot to add it before. So I added 1 kilograms of ground coriander powder, sorry. And then I added the oil and mixed it all up. Just mix it well with the oil. You need to mix it for about 30-40 minutes. Make sure all the spices are mixed all together nicely. And then if you want to add more chilies in there, you can, because this was mild. It wasn't that hot. Yeah, so and I had about 2 big boxes of this. I didn't make a video at the end. And then use a spoon as well to mix it as well. So once you've done it with your hands, you use a spoon as well, a spatula or something, to mix the spices as well. Mix them well. And then this should last me a year, hopefully, inshallah. So yeah, thank you for watching my video, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.